Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about how to make money from stock market. 8 different ways. It can be passive income, it can come from active income. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First and foremost way to make money is through long-term investing. Just like Warren Buffett, he always only buy and hold his securities. He seldomly sell. He make tons of money. So how do we do long-term invest? I'll give you a good example. Let's assume if you bought 100 shares at $50 per share for the following 5 stocks. Your total spent was $25,000. Let's see how much money you can get from that investment. Let's assume first you bought Apple stocks at $50 per share. Today's price of Apple is $319. Apple stocks over the years, I calculated for you. It had a split of 28 to 1 total split. It split multiple times. The total is 28 to 1 split. So you would have, if you bought at a 50 at today's price closing, you would already have $753,200. Then you spend another $5,000 to purchase Google at $50. At today's closing, at $1,510, you would have $292,000 because in the history of Google, it's about 2 to 1 split. If you also bought Amazon at $50 per share, at today's closing, Amazon is at $2,150. And in the history, Amazon split total is 12 to 1 split. So at today's of closing, you would have $2.5 million. If you also spend $5,000 and purchased $50 per share, 100 shares for Netflix, at today's closing, you would have $452,928 because in history, Netflix also had a 14 to 1 split. So if you also spent $5,000 to purchase Microsoft at $50 per share, at today's closing, Microsoft is at $188. In the history of Microsoft stocks, it had multiple splits, so it's total 41 to 1 split. You would have $662,400. If you spent $25,000 purchasing all the 5 stocks I mentioned above, you would have made $4.6 million. That is a whopping 18,622% increase. Long-term investing is a passive income. Another passive income you can earn from stock market is through long-term holding and dividend investing. With dividend investing, you can get a dividend either on monthly or quarterly basis, and plus the stock's growth inside your portfolio. It's another sure way to make you a very rich person. The third way to make money from stock market, and a lot of people doing that, is from actively earning from dividend play. What do I mean by that? 3 important dates you need to remember. It's called ex-dividend date, record day, and also, of course, dividend payday. It's all coming with T+3 rule. Let's suppose ex-dividend day for a stock is on February the 4th. The recording day is February the 6th. to make the dividend from this dividend payout time, you must purchase at least 1 day before ex-dividend date, which is February the 3rd. February the 3rd plus 3 days equivalent to February the 6th. So that's how you make the dividend. So let's assume a XYZ stock pays 6% of annual dividend. It pays quarterly and pays $1 per share each time. The stock price is at $100 per share. So you said, okay, I want to make the dividend only without holding the stock in my portfolio. I want to make big dividend earning and then just dump the stock afterwards. You can do that, certainly. So you bought 500 shares of this XYZ stock at $100 per share. Total spending is $50,000. You get a dividend earning $500. All right, 500 shares times $1 per share is $500. And then after a few days, the stock going up, all right, from $100 going up to $104. At that time, you decide to sell. So from this sell, all right, you make $2,000 net income plus the dividends. You made $2,500 out of thin air because you sold your stock. This trade you made, the rate of return, we call it, is infinite. A lot of people play dividend stocks like this, and then they make tons of money. And fourth way to make money in stock market, which a lot of traders make tons of money in a very short period of time, is through active income short-term trading. You can see somebody doing day trading, swing trading. Swing trading means it could be last in few days and few months, or swing trade during the day. It could be through option trading. It could be through short selling. So these four methods are people make the most of money in the stock market. That's an active income. Mostly people have to work on it on a daily basis. The fifth way to make money from stock market is through fully paid lending program. In this program, you act like a bank. You lend money with your broker to somebody who owns margin account who wants to do the short selling. Brokerage just lend the stock you have to them and then earn the interest from them. The interest can be very high. It could be 5%, 10%, 30%, 50%. I can see as high as even 86%. All right. So in that case, the brokerage split the share with you. They make 50%, you make 50%, half and a half income. It's on daily basis. It's a lot of money. If you counted every trading day times whole year, that's a lot of money. And then it's a passive income, completely passive income. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go look for the person who owns margin account who wants to short sell. The brokerage will do the matching for you. The sixth way to make money from stock market is from the interest earned from your idling cash you're holding in your trading account. For example, Interactive broker, they pay as high as 1.9% of interest rate. If you have, for example, you have total of $35,000 in your account and then you do day trading, at the end of the day, you make a few $1,000. So a total of $37,000 is in your account, and then you wait for the second day to trade, then the $37,000 you could earn the 1.9% of interest. However, not every online brokerage or brokerage pays that much high interest rate. It could be as low as just like the bank pays. You just have to do your study to find out the right one for yourself. Seventh way you can make money from stock market is through active trading on the IPO. IPO is initial public offering. Is the company to take themselves to public. It's very speculative. Not every IPO you can be benefit from or profit from. But most recent famous IPO like Tilray or Beyond Meat, within few months, you can become very, very rich. The stock can be from $20-something all the way shoot up close to $300. But it's very speculative. The eighth way to make money from stock market is to trade on stocks earnings day. The stock earnings day, right after the earnings report, the stock can have a spike of either dip or spike to the top. So a lot of experienced traders, also including institution managers, they make millions of dollars on those earnings report days just because of those short-term spikes. They can buy the dip and sell it real quick when it's shooting up to the sky. But it's another active income way you can make from the stock market. In summary, stock market is a very exciting place to make you rich. There are many passive income and active income to be earned. If you like today's video, please subscribe, give thumbs up, share, and comment. Thank you so much and have a nice day.